Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salsa Ayudenistiani. I'm from the English Education Department. In this video, I will deliver a farewell speech on the topic of welcoming the future with enthusiasm. Today, I would like to thank all parties who have contributed during the study period, appreciate the journey together, and encourage graduates to face the future with optimism and confidence. Honorable lecturer, parents, and guardians of the students that I am honored to have, and beloved graduates, friends, today is a special day. We have gathered here to celebrate a great achievement in our life, graduation from the university. This moment is full of various feelings: happiness for the achievement we have made, nostalgia for the memories we have made, and enthusiasm for the future. Firstly, let me thank to our lecturer and mentors. Your dedication, passion, and endless support have been an important foundation for our academic and personal development. You have inspired us to think critically, to question, and to strive for excellence. We deeply appreciate all the knowledge and value you have installed in us. To our parents and family, thank you for the love, support, and dedication you have given. You are our pillar of strength, always supporting and encouraging us even in difficult time. Our success today is the result of your endless prayer and support. And we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. To my graduates, congratulations. We have come a long way since the day we first set foot on this campus. We have faced challenges, celebrate victories, and create memories that we will always remember. The friendship we have built over the years have become a second family to us. Together, we have grown, learned, and developed. As we stand at the threshold of a new chapter in our life, let us take a moment to reflect on the lesson we have learned. Our times at this university has taught us more than just academic knowledge. We have learned about the importance of perseverance, resilience, and cooperation. We have discovered our interests, sharpen our skill, and prepare ourselves for the future. Looking toward the future, we will be faced with various opportunities and challenges. The journey may not always be smooth, but remember that we have been equipped with the tools and mindset to overcome every obstacles. Let us welcome change with an open heart and an inquisitive mind. Let us pursue our dream with determination and integrity. And let us always strive to make a positive impact on the world uh, around us. We will leave the place that has been our home to pass few years, but we will take with us a wealth of knowledge, experience, and friendship. Our bond as alumni of this reverend institution will remain strong wherever life takes us. Let us stay connected, support each other, and continue to grow together. And the closing, let me quote the word of Dr. Seuss: "Don't cry because it's over, smile because it's happened." As we step into the future, let us carry this spirit of the adventure and optimism with us. Let us be brave, passionate, and stay true to ourselves. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. goodbye, and may we all find success, happiness, and fulfillment in our chosen paths. Congratulations once again. Thank you.